Okay, if you know, you know. It's that time. Have most of the ingredients on the table. Got to get them in the refrigerator. Have two turkeys in the refrigerator, been thawing since yesterday. I'm gonna throw both of them in and brine them. So I have everything I need to do my brining. Got my white onions right here. Got my oranges. Got some other mixtures that I'm gonna throw in there for my brine. Let it brine for 24 hours. Again, we're doing two turkeys. So I'm gonna do one probably about 12 o'clock Wednesday, 12 o'clock at night. And then I'll do the next one at 6 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, that way we knock those two turkeys out and we don't have it taking up all the space in the oven. Again, we're gonna do a winter. I'm gonna do a winter salad. As you can see, I have some kale here. Kale, got some nuts and berries. Got that carrots, got some walnuts, some pecans, you know, everything we need for a salad. Got this here. Then I got some cabbage. I'm gonna hook that up. Then what we're gonna do some potatoes, mashed potatoes. Then we got the deviled eggs that I'm gonna knock out. Again, I'm doing this whole meal again myself. We have the greens, collard greens, that we're gonna hook up the collard greens, which they're on point. Gotta have that turkey, okay, the neck bone. You know, got my sweet paprika, got the smoked paprika. Everything else you need for is basil, oregano, some garlic, pure honey. You know, you got some hot tomatoes with habanero. You got your carnation milk for your mac and cheese. Got your mac and cheese. Those noodles somewhere in here, I don't see them, but I know I purchased those noodles. They're right here. We have some sweet potatoes. Oh yeah, we ready. Let me go over here. We start looking at some of the pots that we have lined up. Get a couple more pots lined up so we can go ahead and start that cooking. Getting our herbs and stuff, start to get those seasoned up and things like that. That way we can get that brine going. Excuse the refrigerator. We got these two turkeys up in here. They've been in there since yesterday. They have thawed, however you want to pronounce it. So now it's still nice and cold. So this time people say don't leave them in there no more than 2 days, but shoot, you know, back in the day, our parents used to leave them out and about. We never had any problem. We used to leave them in the sink in cold water. So my thing about it is, I'm gonna take these two turkeys. I'm gonna take one out right now, and go ahead and stick it in the brine. Well, before I stick it in the brine, I gotta go ahead and heat it up. You heat that brine up with herbs and all that and things like that, and then we go ahead and let it cool off. Throw some ice in there to help it cool off. Then we throw this, you know, we fit it back in the refrigerator. If you can't put it in the refrigerator, for myself, my garage, I cover it up real good in the top. Put it in the garage. My garage stays about 60-some degrees because we're up here in Chicago, in the Illinois area. So we're gonna be good. So let that brine for 24 hours. So let that brine until tomorrow, and then I'll start cooking this right here. I actually have 3 turkeys. Actually, how we got 3 turkeys because I had already purchased 2, and she didn't know it, and she bought another one. I told her just keep it. We'll keep one for December. And we're ready to get going. So I'm gonna start trying to get rid of some of the stuff in the refrigerator. As I get rid of it, clean it. This didn't leak water or anything, but I'm still gonna disinfect it real good and things like that. Get this refrigerator cleaned out and disinfected at the same time.